How to install VS Code. Explained in simple words. What does VS Code mean? VS Code, Visual Studio Code, is a popular, lightweight code editor used by programmers to write, edit, and manage code efficiently. It supports multiple programming languages, has extensions for additional tools, and is widely used for Python, Java, JavaScript, web development, and more. In simple words, VS Code installation equals setting up VS Code so you can write and manage code efficiently. Why installing VS Code matters. VS Code provides syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging tools, supports extensions for languages, frameworks, and version control, makes coding faster, organized, and easier. Without VS Code or another code editor, writing large projects is hard. Step-by-step guide to install VS Code. 1. Download VS Code. Go to the official website, https://code.visualstudio.com/. Click Download and select your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. 2. Install VS Code on Windows. Run the downloaded installer. Accept the license agreement. Select options, like adding VS Code to path. Click Install and wait for completion. Open VS Code from Start menu or desktop shortcut. 3. Install VS Code on Mac. Open the downloaded.dmg file. Drag VS Code to the Applications folder. Launch VS Code from Applications or Launchpad. 4. Install VS Code on Linux. Most Linux distributions provide VS Code in .deb or .rpm packages. For Debian, Ubuntu, sudo apt update, sudo apt install code. Launch VS Code from terminal or application menu. 5. Optional. Install extensions. VS Code supports extensions to improve development, e.g., Python, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Git and GitHub. Extensions make VS Code a full-featured programming environment. Tips after installation. Checkmark pin VS Code to your taskbar or dock for easy access. Checkmark install essential extensions for your programming language. Checkmark explore themes and shortcuts to improve productivity. Checkmark use the integrated terminal to run programs without leaving the editor. Real-life analogy. Installing VS Code is like setting up a modern workstation desktop computer. VS Code equals desk with all tools organized. Extensions equals extra gadgets for specialized work. Terminal equals phone line to communicate with your computer. Without VS Code, programming is slower and less efficient. Important point. VS Code is not a compiler or interpreter. It helps you write and manage code. You still need Python, Java, or other language runtimes to run programs. Think of it as a powerful coding workspace. Simple definition. VS Code installation equals setting up Visual Studio Code to write, edit, and organize programming code efficiently. Final summary. After installing VS Code, checkmark you can write code in multiple languages. Checkmark use extensions for added functionality. Checkmark access an integrated terminal for running programs. Checkmark organize projects and manage files efficiently. Without VS Code, crossmark writing and managing large projects is hard. With VS Code, checkmark coding becomes faster, easier, and more organized. VS Code is one of the most popular tools for modern programmers.